Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really gorgeous 5x7 area rug in this fantasy-like design. The pattern has this vintage, nature-inspired look with soft but deep, earthy tones that blend really beautifully in a range of spaces. I've personally styled it in a few different ways to give you a look. Here I've got a bar table and some bar stools on it to show you a more living space style atmosphere. And then I've got some nursery items with a little rocking chair and a baby swing, because I think this would be beautiful in a nursery. Or you can use this for an office space. I think that would be a great option as well. So regardless of where you put it, it's definitely going to give a moody, beautiful vibe. The surface is stain resistant and water repellent, so care is going to be a breeze, plus it's machine washable, so it doesn't get any easier than that. And then the non-slip base is going to help keep it in place so it's not slipping and sliding below your feet. And the super soft low pile design is going to feel wonderful to the touch while not being too bulky. I love how well this rug works in so many different spaces. So whether you're looking for something for a bedroom, nursery, office, or living space, this will bring such a cozy and inviting feel to your room.